Is there any way I can track who opened and saved the Excel file I created on our company's shared network? We can do that using VBA. Along the process, you would also learn codes to get the Excel username, current date, current time, and how to trigger the VBA when you open a file. Here's how you can do it. Add a new worksheet and name it as Secret Logs. In this worksheet, add headers as username, date, and time. This is where you want to save the details. Go to VBA Editor, and then this workbook. Change the general to workbook. Once workbook is selected, the private sub-workbook open becomes the default code. Any macro codes created inside it will be triggered once the file is opened. There will be many variations in creating VBA codes, but this style is going to be as simple as possible. Now put this code in later on. I will explain it line by line. I will also share the link on where you could download this file. This is the code to get the username of the one opening the file, and this username on top is the variable that we will use to store the value of application.username. This code will unhide the worksheet secret logs, and down below is the code to hide the worksheet. This kind of hiding does not give other users the capability to unhide it unless they know your macro password. Starting from the lowest row of column A, going up until the cell that has a value, and then go down one row. The same logic applies to the other codes below, storing the value in column B and C to store the system date and time. Finally, this is the code to save what has been tracked. The entire process will not be noticed by other users. Let's go ahead and save this file and put it to a test. I'm going to close this file and reopen it. That's the tracking mechanism created with a few macro lines. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified of my new videos.